So now we got the Hardwire kit, and this is for mounting it. Hardwiring, so you don't have to use your cigarette lighter adapter. And these could go into your fuses. You have your battery plus, I guess that's constant power, and then your accessory power, which is the red one. So when you turn your ignition on, then this will get power. So on the Mercedes Sprinter, we're gonna have to go into the fuse box and see where we can plug these into. One will have constant power and one will have accessory power. In the driver's side of the Mercedes Sprinter, if you go to the fuses, it is fuse number 19 will be this will be the yellow wire that will be for power, and fuse number 12 up here will be for the ACC, or the red wire. You put those two wires in from the wiring harness, and you got to connect a ground, which I have here. So that's the ground, and we have power to the camera. Now this is hardwired. Now all you have to do is run the wire the same way right up to there, and this way you won't have to use the cigarette lighter for power. So what this hard wiring kit has, you can see at the back, it has a 12 volt protection of 11.8 volts. So if the power goes below 11.8 volts, the camera will automatically turn off, so it won't kill your battery. So what I can do now is run this wire, and I already moved the screw for this. I can move this off. I'm gonna put this through the bottom, and this wire, run it the same way through the pillar and end up right here. So this is the same process. I'm just gonna run the wire as I did the cigarette lighter and use the tool to tuck it in. Once the wires are all tucked in, you can put your cover back on. So now with the camera hardwired, it will be ready for the 24-hour parking monitoring mode. And once I put the key in, I start it, camera will automatically come on, start recording, and once I turn it off, it will go into the parking monitoring mode. So with the parking monitoring mode on, you can go to the menu, go to your settings, in the parking, you have your G sensor trigger. We can do that. There's also a time lapse and a 24-hour time lapse. We'll do the G sensor trigger record. G sensor, we'll keep that on medium. And turn off the car, and the parking monitoring mode will be active. So for example, once the car is off, if there's any impact, camera will automatically turn on and start recording. And if you ever wanted to take it off, it has the clip that this thing can just come out, and you can take this in with you. That way, you know, no one will sit in your windshield if you're for long periods of time away and you want to keep it out of sight from thieves. And to put it back in, you just put it right there, put the power in, and put the backup camera in.